We set up a AirPro 3D factory in 2017 to start the production of the mascara brushes. From the beginning, Chanel imagined that in the near future, we will be able to produce some mascara brushes using 3D printing technology. It was for me just a crazy idea. But in 2007, they filed their first patent. Since the beginning, I think we have reached a quantity of something like 17 millions of parts. Today we are using a conventional ERP. That means that we have an Excel sheet to manage quality, like delivery time and so on, because there is no connection from the machine to the ERP. So we want to use Free Your Mind to get this connection.
With Free Your Mind, we'll have a paperless system for our production process. We have a quick feedback of our quality control, and we'll centralize all the information in one system. The added value of 3D printing is to produce different shapes in one machine. For the time being, in mass production, we always try to focus on one shape, one product, which is more easy for us to post-process and to do the quality control, and mainly in terms of supply chain. But having Free Your Mind will be able to shift from a design to another easily, because everything will be adapted accordingly. Using the QR code that are on our production batch, we'll be able to update the status at which the production of our brushes is for the time being. Free Your Mind will help us to have a better understanding of what's really happening during the production process. And here it's to connect directly our machine with our quality control process and to be able to predict what will be the quality of our parts.
You know, when you speak about digitalization, that means that there is no cut during the processes. If you have to change from one software to another one and they are not linked, you lose a lot of information. So we will use Free Your Mind like a global ERP and to manage all the process and the workflow that we have here in AirPro. Digitalization of the workflow is a key point, I think, for increase the performance of the production for Chanel.